I don't know how to rearrange this bedroom here, but I'm gonna take this table and use it as my computer desk and bring the small one in here. It's a struggle when you don't have any closet storage. At least one. They should have at least more than one, at least two. One for the for the towels, and then one to put other stuff in. So that would have been great. But I'm really downsizing, trying. It's so hard. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and move that. So that's what's going on there right now. So that's kind of better like that. And then we will put this chair here. Okay. That's good for now. Oh, downstairs cannot hear me moving my furniture. So I probably have to carry this. Excuse me, what's up? It's really hard. It's so hard to downsize. It's really hard. That's why I never vlog, because I never have, didn't know what to do at this moment. So this is fully packed. I still gonna downsize some of my Christmas stuff because what's up? Sister, move it. See. Now put that in there. It's really hard. Okay. Okay. The only reason I downsized is because that other house was kind of too big and I saved money here. I mean, that's the only downfall of this place, is there's no storage, or it's just too, I had a lot of crap. I still have a lot of crap to go. Look at my little, I love this. Hopefully, because I never sleep in the room yet because it's a mess right now. This won't fit there. Novelle's making some farts. I think she has to go bathroom. Okay. So I'm gonna put this here for now. My cameras. Holy smokes, Novelle. You smell like a poopy bear. She's just carrying on casually like she never fought or fart. So that's just all my perfumes there. Oh, okay. I don't want these. Just more added stuff for myself. Look at all that now. My dirty clothes, there's no place for it, but we're gonna find a place. I wish that bed would fold up, that massage bed. So I'm really thinking about if I really want it. Well, I gotta keep it now because I sold my other bed already. Oh. Okay. So I'm just gonna put this here. Oh. There's so much things I'm telling you. It is overwhelming, okay? It's not kind of, it is, but I want to put this bed over here. I'm thinking, not sure yet. Let's see. Move this into the living room and let's go. Alright, gang, so I just got one side of the room done, not that side. I have to figure out that, but that's what's going on at this moment. It's so hard. It's so hard. But I'm gonna downsize a lot more.